Welcome back to another vlog. Say welcome back to another vlog. We're kind of close. Okay, let's back up. Y'all, how are y'all doing today? I would love to know. Let me know how y'all's doing. Let me know how y'all are doing today. I see a lot of new subscribers. I see a lot of new subscribers rolling in. And me and Trey say, welcome to our channel. This is my channel, but you know, he's always on here. So we both say welcome back, or welcome to our channel. Sorry, and welcome back to anyone who has been here. So today is gonna be spent packing. Ignore my background, it's a mess. But today's gonna be spent packing because we leave tomorrow to go back to Pittsburgh for Christmas. So we are super excited. Are we super excited? We should be packing light because we're not staying too long. But knowing me, I'll probably overpack like I always do. I can't help it. I can't help it. I feel like if I don't bring stuff, I'm gonna be without it. And then I never use any of the stuff in there. So let's see if we can pack light today. But I am currently taking a break from work. I've been working. It's almost 2, so I'm almost done with work. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pack. So my screen was falling off. It was falling off and I fixed it. And I might do a separate video telling you guys how to fix your screen if the screen is like floppy. For some reason, it loosens up. So I can help y'all with that. I might do a separate video. If anybody has this camera, the Canon G7X, it's linked below in my Amazon storefront. Make sure you guys are going to my Amazon storefront because I do have the cameras that I use, any like products I use, anything's there that I use. It's there. I put it there for y'all. For y'all. It costs y'all no money just to buy it, and you know, I get a little small percentage. So that will help me out. Thank you. I didn't even vlog yesterday. So there's that. I'm starting to get lazy with Vlogmas and I don't like that. But it is what it is. It has been a long Vlogmas season. It's been long. It's been long. 25 days is a long time to edit. Then you have your kid, you have to cook, you have to do a whole bunch of stuff. You have to just make sure you're uploading every day. It is tough. And next year I might do weekly or twice a week or something like that. Just so I could kind of entertain you guys a little bit more. I feel like it's just been quick videos. And I don't know. I just feel like I would want to do it maybe for... I think I would just want to maybe do it for a week next year. Like do each week, like 4 weeks of Vlogmas. I think that's what I might do. I've done all my laundry and stuff, folded all my clothes though, so that's nice. I need to wash some washcloths for him. Make sure his towels washed because the towels that I got, I don't like them. So Lindell's mom got us a cotton towel for him because the other towels weren't drying him. It's just like swiping right across his body, still wet. So she got a cotton towel for us, and I need to get some more actually because I only have that one. But I'm gonna wash some cotton rags as well so that we have some to take with us and pack his clothes. He doesn't have much because he does have a lot of sleepers, but he doesn't have a lot of like clothes. We need to get him like sweatsuits and just different things like that so he can wear since it's cold. Since it's cold, right? I don't want him to be wearing sleepers all the time. So yeah, we need to get him some stuff. Hopefully Christmas, bring my child some clothes. I know my parents got him some stuff, so.
the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer.
Hey y'all, we are finally in Pittsburgh. Say hi, Trey. He did so well. We only had to stop once, and we stopped and we thought he was hungry, but we stopped and he didn't even want anything. Like, he didn't even want a nurse. He was just crying. I think he was too hot because he was sweating in there. His back's wet now. Oh my gosh, he was sweating. Ooh, he was sweating. So I think he was just hot. He just wanted to get out of there. I took his hat off, and Lindell had a blanket on him and stuff, so I had to get him together. Now I'm about to nurse him. We're probably, Lindell's doing something right now. We're probably gonna get some food and go to the hotel because Lindell has work and I have a couple calls to get on, so I'm gonna do that. And then I gotta go get my screen fixed because the back of my screen is freaking shattered. Hopefully they can fix it with my insurance, but I don't know if y'all can see this. My screen is chopped and screwed, so I'm gonna try to get that fixed, and then I'll probably go to my mom's house for a little bit. I'm gonna go to the grandma's house. He's kicking his feet. He's trying to kick the trash. I have trash right here. He's literally kicking it. But yeah, I'm gonna get him fed. I just wanted to update y'all. The snow was freaking crazy. We got to PA and there's nothing here. So Virginia got hit with snow. It was crazy. And then my car is not good in the snow, so that was annoying. But we're here, we made it, thank God. Thank you, Jesus.
Chicken and steaking and rolling and geeking. Chicken and steaking and rolling and you know the original version?
No. Can I have the grilled chicken club? No cheese, no tomatoes. Can I have the avocado lime ranch on the side? You want a medium or large?
Medium.
A medium, please.
Well, I want 8 piece.
And then can I have an 8-count chicken nugget? Just the entree. Honey mustard for the sauce. What do you want to drink? For his drink for the meal, he wants I have a #1. Add cheese, the meal, and then can I have a side of mac and cheese? For my drink, I just want a high C light ice. No.
But
You see how he's running? I'm freaking weak. People are so funny.
I'm an NPC, bro.
What does that mean?
A non-playable character.
How he's running?
Yeah.
I'm freaking
you
dead.
can just tell.
Why is Chick-fil-A like this? Maybe it's because it's cold out, so they got them some booths. But like, it's just so inconvenient. Like, what? Ayana. Thank you. I really spell my name dumb every time, bro. My name is not. I don't know, bro. They're dumb. No matter how I spell it to them, they're gonna spell it wrong. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. You too. All right, y'all. I always gotta move my seat when I get in here. It's okay. It's okay. I gotta put music on for him. Forgot my hat. Pretty it is. Y'all, I hope my car's not too loud. But we just got to U-Brake iFix. That's where we're at right now because my screen needs fixed. So I'm sitting here. I feel like my car is so loud, but I'm sitting here. I have a work call. The baby just fell asleep, so I'm gonna sit here on my work call until that's over. Then I'm gonna take my phone in here. Hopefully he just stays asleep. We're gonna go over to Panera, which is next door, and I'm just gonna edit, probably edit a little bit of, I think I'm gonna combine the yesterday's video and today's video, because I mean, why not? It's a traveling vlog, like I was packing and then I'm traveling, so I'm just gonna combine that. So I'll probably just start editing and then complete it tonight and upload it tonight. I need to get a shower and get dressed. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but we'll see. I left my Yeezys at home because I thought I wasn't gonna wear them, which I probably won't now that the weather's like this, because it wasn't bad when we came here. So I'm like, dang, I should have brought my Yeezys, because these Uggs I got on, they got my feet stinking. My feet stink. My feet really do stink. And I don't even know if I have any other shoes. I don't think I have. I only have boots. I need to wash these Uggs, or I need to get some new ones. I'll probably get some new ones soon, because I mean, I had these for a few years, so I think it's time to upgrade and get some new ones. But yeah, y'all, we made it safe, and I need to give my phone a charge. We made it safe, and I'll probably see my family at my brother's game. Hey y'all. Linda, I'm not playing with you, bro. Ow, I'm not playing. Y'all, we just got back to the hotel and we're just sitting here. I just got him changed, washed, and dressed. We're about to leave. I'm unfortunately keeping the same clothes on because I don't have time to get a shower and stuff, and I don't feel like putting a nice outfit on and not doing my eyebrows or putting some lashes and stuff on. So I'm not gonna do that. And plus I don't have time. Look, Trey, they see you being a crybaby as always. Say hi. Say hi. So yeah, we're about to head out to my brother's game. I was able to edit and stuff at Panera, so I got like my whole vlog done. I'll just add these little parts in the next couple hours, whatever we do after the game or whatever. I'll add that in, and then I will get it uploaded tonight. Yay. Are we happy? Are we happy? It's been, has it been a day or 2 days? It's been a day. It's only been a day. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna definitely get this uploaded tonight. But we'll see. Huh?
Hook my Xbox up.
I don't know how to hook your Xbox up.
Okay, just say no, you don't want to.
I will, but I don't know how.
You literally just plug it into the wall.
Oh, that's it? Not to the TV?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I'm gonna...
HDMI port?
Yeah, I'm gonna
You know
hook...
what that is?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so
You think I'm slow?
No, I said so act like.
Oh, well, you won't get that game hooked up. I don't know who you're talking to. I'm not playing. He been mocking me all day, y'all. I'm sure y'all seen him earlier mocking me.
Like that in front of your YouTube, bro.
I don't say that ever.
Not like that.
I don't say that ever, Lindell. I'll come over there and smack the back of your neck, boy.
See, look how you don't even talk. You don't even talk like that.
I don't talk like Lindell. I'm sick of you trying to act.
How am I acting?
I don't talk like that. You're about to make me mad.
Put it on front for YouTube, bro. That's all.
All right, yeah, he's losing it. You know I'm not gonna upload none of this. Cause you're freaking weird, acting like I'm doing something I don't be doing, and I do. And it's not funny. You think you're cute. It's not funny, bro.
My bad. I was just hoping you could upload it.
No, you're weird. Nah, I will. Since you confessed that you're lying.
Upload it. Go ahead.
You're lying. He's a liar, bro.
You're the liar, bro. It's a fraud.
Linda, I don't pull that earring out your ear, and then I'll be a fraud then, huh?
YouTube.
Now if I go over there and punch him in his if I go over there and punch him in his arm, he gonna act like his arm slid out of socket.
You don't even talk to me like
Oh, I just said it before I got on this camera.
No,
We're about
smart,
to
right?
Lindell, get off of my blog, bro. Get out of here.
Of your what?
My blog.
What'd you say the first time?
Get out of my blog, bro.
Your baby's crying. Be
What's
a good
that?
mother.
Lindell, you're losing it. You're losing your mind. I hate when we travel because the first day is really rough for him. He don't get his naps like he should. And I hate that about. Do you have his passy? You and grandma's mansion.
Put your feet up there. You're putting your feet up there.
You guys, that ain't cool.
I'm on a video. I need,
No, we're ready.
Yeah,
It's free.
what can I get for you guys?
Put me on it.
I want the quesadilla burger. Pink or no pink? No pink. No pink.
Always doing something.
And then fries, okay? Yep.
You want to be on there more? I don't.
Yeah, she likes YouTube.
I don't.
Yeah, my dad don't want to be on the camera. He said, don't put him on unless I'm giving him some money. He said he be paid to be on this camera.
You know what I need?
What?
I got you going home, ain't you?
No, I'm not going.
Oh yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
No,
I don't have
no,
school.
no, you got school.
No, I
You going
don't.
home. No.
No, I don't have
What I
school
tell you,
for a
I
week.
told you yesterday. You didn't want to stay with me last night. You ain't staying.
Why
tonight.
didn't you want to stay with him
Because
last
I
night?
had school.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You had school today? Are you lying?
No.
Look at her eyes. What's her eyes so big?
No.
Why do you want my water? You drank all your Sprite?
No.
Oh man. So why you want my water?
Because I need it.
Oh no, you can eat your
I'm
ice
not
and your.
No, I'm not going to eat the ice. I just need it.
So ask her for a water. Duh.
You want to feed him?
Yeah, because I don't want to drink this and then he be hungry, real hungry, and then I already drank the whole thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm so sorry.